Up to 3,000 people dying in a day. We're now at the highest number of deaths, new infections, and hospitalizations since the pandemic began.
Right now, we unfortunately have a pandemic that's really throughout the nation.
CDC Director Dr. Robert Redfield says more cases are expected because of Thanksgiving travel. And now a new recommendation: don't travel over the December holidays. It's an effort to stop the spread and keep hospitals from being overwhelmed.
90% of our hospitals in this nation are actually in what we call one of the hot zones, in the red zone.
Red zones indicate high community transmission rates, which means more sick people. While Georgia is doing somewhat better than other states, there's still plenty of concern. Hospital administrators who met with Governor Brian Kemp Wednesday are already seeing more cases.
We currently have a census of 5 or 6 COVID-positive patients. So when you're thinking about 50 beds, that is a significant number. We have, since Thanksgiving, seen an upsurge and actually had 2 COVID-related deaths yesterday.
Smaller facilities may be able to turn to our regional hospitals, but the CDC says the point must be to bend the curve. So now it's also recommending that if you're over 65 or have health issues, you should not enter any indoor public space where anyone is not wearing a mask.
It's not a political decision. This is a public health tool.
The CDC is urging those who traveled recently to be tested and to heed the warnings about upcoming travel.
The reality is December and January and February are going to be rough times. I actually believe they're going to be the most difficult time in the public health history of this nation.
Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3, on your side.